If you need to delete your Payoneer account permanently, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Make sure you have settled any pending transactions before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Payoneer account by entering your login credentials on the Payoneer website. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the settings section, usually found in the main menu or under your profile icon. Step 3. Find account closure option. In the account settings, look for an option related to account closure or deletion. This may be labeled as close account or delete account. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Click on the account closure option and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. You may be required to provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the necessary steps, you will likely receive a confirmation prompt. Confirm that you want to delete your account permanently. Once you have followed these steps, your Payoneer account will be scheduled for deletion. Remember that this action is irreversible, so ensure you have downloaded any necessary information before proceeding.